In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Sony Bravia TV. Or if you're having the problem where the YouTube app cannot open, or the YouTube app keeps crashing, or the situation where you are actually able to open up the YouTube app but videos does not load on the YouTube app, in this video I'm going to give you 3 solutions that will definitely help you fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Sony Bravia TV or any other problem you might have with the YouTube app on your Sony TV. Over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or model of Sony Bravia TV you have, whether you have the older models of Sony Bravia TV or the Sony Bravia Google TV just like this one, or even the Sony Bravia Android TV. Trust me, one of the 3 solutions I am going to offer in this video would definitely work out for you. Now, my first solution to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Sony TV is to basically just go ahead and turn off the TV just like so, and then you want to proceed to the wall socket where your Sony TV is connected, unplug it from the wall socket, and then wait for about 10 to 20 seconds. After the 10 to 20 seconds, go back and connect your Sony TV to the wall socket, and then you just want to proceed to turn on your TV. This time, before you go ahead and connect your TV to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network, you want to make sure that there is actually internet access. You can try connecting other devices to your Wi-Fi or hotspots just to be sure that there is actually internet access, and if there is, then you can proceed to connect your Sony TV to your Wi-Fi and then try opening up the YouTube app one more time on your Sony TV and see if that issue has been fixed. But if this solution does not work out for you and you are still having the problem of YouTube can't connect right now on your Sony Bravia TV, my second solution, which will definitely work out for most of you, is to go ahead and make sure that the date and time on your Sony Bravia TV is correct and exactly the same as that of your Wi-Fi. To do this, basically you just want to make sure you are at the home of your Sony Bravia TV, whether you're using the Sony Bravia Android, Sony Bravia Google TV, or even the old Sony Bravia TV, and then head over to the settings of your Sony TV, usually at the top right corner of the TV, and then you just want to scroll down to where you have the system settings over here. Select system settings and then come over to the date and time settings. Select that. Now under automatic date and time, you want to make sure that this option is not turned off. So make sure that you turn on automatic date and time, and then the date and time of your Sony Bravia TV will automatically be corrected and set to the exact date and time of your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. Once this is done, you want to go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your TV. So come over to the Wi-Fi and internet settings of your Sony Bravia TV. Go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then try turning it on once again. This time you want to connect to your Wi-Fi network and then proceed to open up the YouTube app one more time on your Sony Bravia TV, and trust me, once you press on the try again option, this will most likely fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on any Sony Bravia TV you have. But if the second solution does still not work out for you, another thing you want to try to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Sony Bravia TV or any other problem you might be having with the YouTube app is to go ahead and clear the cache of the YouTube app on your Sony TV. To do this, you want to head over to the settings one more time. So come over to the settings at the top over here. Now you want to scroll down to the application settings over here. Go ahead and select that, and then from here you want to go ahead and select the YouTube app. If you do not see the YouTube app over here, just come over to see all apps and then scroll down until you find the YouTube app. You can literally see the YouTube app over here. I'll go ahead and select it. Now scroll downwards continuously until you get to the clear cache option over here. Click on clear cache and then click on OK, and then you also want to go over to the clear data. This will actually log you out of the YouTube app on your Sony Bravia TV if you've been logged in before, but trust me, it will most likely fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now or any other problem you might be having with the YouTube app on your Sony Bravia TV. Now just go ahead and select OK, and once all of this is done, go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on one more time. Once it is turned on, make sure that you are actually connected to the internet and then proceed to try using the YouTube app one more time on your Sony Bravia TV. Trust me, this will most likely fix any other problem you might be having with the YouTube app on your Sony TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.